Today we're gonna try. First, we're gonna try Skittle.
What is that, Miranda? What's it taste like?
Sour.
Sour? Does it taste salty or bitter or sweet?
No, sour.
Just sour? Okay. What do you think about it? Do you like it?
Good.
It's good? Okay. Taste one of the other things.
Chewing. We're gonna try strawberry. I love it.
You love it? What is it? Is it
Sweet.
salty, sweet, bitter,
Sweet.
sour?
Sweet.
Sweet? Only sweet?
I'm sour.
Okay. Now the next one you're going to try is what? Blueberry?
Sweet.
It's sweet? I wasn't sure if that was going to be a sweet one or a bitter one. Are they all sweet?
So not all of them.
Okay. Keep going. What is that? That is just a regular potato chip.
I'm gonna hate it.
Just taste it. Tell me which category it fits in.
I like it.
What category does it fit in? Is it salty, sweet, bitter, or sour?
Plain.
What's plain? Is it any of these things? Is it salty?
Nope. It's plain.
Is it sweet? Nope. Bitter?
Plain.
Sour? Plain isn't an option. I think it's salty. There should be salt on that. Let me taste it. I'm going to try.
What?
I taste salt. Maybe you should have another one.
Salty. I hate it.
That is salty.
Ugh.
Okay, now get a chip out of that bag over there.
I love this stuff right here.
You do?
This is plain. Not the right one.
No, what are you trying to find? A little one? Okay, chew it up and tell me what its flavor is.
I don't even know it's one.
Is it salty?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it sweet?
But it's kind of sour and sweet.
So it's salty, sweet, and sour?
Sweet and sour.
And
now
you like it?
Just a drink.
And you like it?
Uh-huh.
Which one of those things did you like the best?
I don't know. Strawberry.
You like the strawberry the most? That was this one that was sweet.
And next is blueberry, and Skittle was first, and that was fourth, and that was fifth.
Okay. Good job, Miranda. Thank you.